So I jet washed and it didn't get everything up because it just didn't. And this is algae, where I had a plant pot here, and obviously this is built up over the winter, and I just couldn't get it up with a jet washer, believe it or not. So I got some Patio Magic. Now this stuff is supposed to be excellent. It's got a very big treatment area and it can be used in lots of different ways. You can even put it on masonry, which is good to know if you've got like a wall that needs a little bit of treatment. And it's got some very impressive before and afters. This one is not as bad as the pictures, but let's see. No scrubbing, no pressure washing, brilliant. And there are a plethora of instructions at the back. Obviously heed those. What I'm going to do is, there is an instruction, apply it to dry, and when it's not going to rain imminently, and it's particularly warm today, and it's going to be for a few days, and keep our animals out of it for a few hours, which is absolutely fine. But I'm not going to do the instructions on here. It says to put it into like a watering can, diluted, but I'm not going to do that because I only want to test this little area. So I've got a little tub and I've got a brush, so I'm going to mix it up as per the ratios in here, and have a little jar of it and just brush it on to see, because I don't want to splash it everywhere. I want to see a little spot of it, so I'm going to mix it up, paint it on, and come back and I'll show you in a couple of days if it's actually worked. Is it actually magic? And the ratio is 9:1, so I've got that much water in here, and I'm just going to put in about that much. I think that'd be about right, and brush it on and see how we go. Well, this is it. It's been a couple of days I've left it, and I'm pretty impressed with it. Is it all gone? No, it's not, but it was pretty dark. And if your entire garden was like this and you didn't have a jet washer, and all you had was either a brush like I did it, or a watering can, this would definitely take the edge off it. I mean, obviously the line there makes it really obvious, but it's definitely taken up a good few shades. So I think that's pretty successful, really. Not all gone, but it's definitely lifted. For the budget of it all, I think it's pretty much worth it, particularly if it's quite stubborn. And bear in mind the jet washer didn't take this off, but this product did. I think that's pretty good.